Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Shabri Asia Monet, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be taking these two Fashion Nova jeans and turning them into two-tone stack jeans. So first, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the lighter jeans because I want the lighter jeans to be first. Whatever jeans you have, doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be the same color. It could be white, black jean, white jean. It doesn't matter. Whatever two jeans you want, just use them. And I want my top half to be light, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the top half to where it's light. So now, this is what I have. So now that I got these, I'm going to go ahead and match these up to the dark pair and cut out the, I'll probably do like a 9-inch dark. So now that I have my two sections cut out from the dark jeans, I'm going to fold them inside out and place them inside of the other jean. I'm going to make sure that the inside seam and outside seams match up. Now that I have those matched up, I'm just going to go ahead and sew on the top of my fabric. So after the first line, it's going to look a little bit like this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and make a second line. The first line is to hold it together, and the second line is to stop it from fraying. So now I cut out another section of the light jeans and pinned it down. Repeating the same step, I'm going to go ahead and sew doing the same thing. This is pretty much my result after I went ahead and went light, dark, and all the way to the end of my first pair of jeans. And now I'm going to continue on to my stack part. With my scraps, I went ahead and grabbed the bottom part of the light jean and then the part right next up from the dark jean. And I'm just going to go ahead and attach them the same way I did the rest of the jean. Right here is where I'm going to take the part I just sewed together and fold it inside out, so that way I can attach it to the bottom of my jean. And so now I'm just going to take the bottoms of the jeans and place the one that's inside out inside the right pair of jeans, and then I'm just going to go ahead and sew them all together.